Jack, or what?
And
Durian.
this is not like the
Durian,
same
okay.
durian you'll find in
Apparently
the
I have
store.
problems with
You
this
can't find
listening
many of these
listening
varieties,
comprehension.
but these are superior in taste. And I have on my website how he gets them here to this country. There's a few people that do this around the country, but Miami Fruit, I'll put a link below. It's a place where you can get them if you want to get them.
I think he freezes them in nitrogen so they don't get any cell damage. And once they thaw out, you can't freeze it again because then it'll get cell damage.
Yeah.
And when it gets cell damage, the taste is, kind of like, when you thaw out a mango, it gets all slimy and breaks down. It looks really bad.
We've been giving this daunting task of trying these durians now, so it's going to be quite challenging. Thanks to Rain for doing this.
Yeah.
I haven't had a durian.
Let's cut these suckers open.
Yeah, let's, instead of doing it all at the same time, let's maybe do each variety so we can all taste the different varieties.
Yeah, let's do one bag at a time.
So we need a knife, if anyone has a knife.
We've got magically appeared. Thank you,
Yes,
Shannon.
when
So
you,
let's try the
You're holding
Chanee,
it. You gotta
Chanee.
follow through with that.
Chanee first here.
it actually says Chanee there too. So
Oh, Rain knew all the names. Oh, this is Chanee, this is Musang King, this is blah, blah, blah. All in the freezer box.
I have had
You ever
all
had
these
these?
durians several
I've never
times,
had that
fresh
before.
and frozen, multiple times.
You're so lucky, man. I saw
So I can-
his videos on Facebook.
All right,
Traveling-
so there's not
What was it?
there's enough for all of us
Borneo.
here. So
Amazing.
there's a big piece. You might have to take 2 parts of that piece. but-
Okay, we'll break it
Yeah.
Yeah, except that you took the whole thing.
if I could.
Play with it first. Are we recording all this?
Now,
I
Chris,
wouldn't do that, Chris.
Chris,
Don't
are
do
you
that.
are you
I
a
would-
fan? Are you a fan of durian?
I don't know.
Oh, you never tried durian?
I don't believe I did.
Oh wow,
Oh boy, Chris, just eat with your hand. Don't do that with your knife. Just eat
Chris,
with
hold it
your.
like this. There's a seed in the middle. So
Yeah,
hold it
I
on.
see the seed in the
She
middle.
doesn't want
I-
to smell like durian. That's okay. She's like hesitating.
Yeah,
just
I
go with this
can
one.
go with this. I'm testing it on because I want to make sure you guys have some. And
A big seed.
Any of you guys?
it's more of a texture thing to me.
You're testing it.
Think of like a whipped cream.
Yeah, it's it's got some fiber, but it's just a sort of almost like yogurt. It's a cross between yogurt and whipped cream as far as texture. It's got some sweetness, has some other flavors going on there too. Nothing overpowering though.
That's amazing.
Are you waiting for me to say something?
Yes, we're always ready.
No, this is actually a good Chanee. I've had many good Chanees before. This is actually one of the best as far as frozen Chanee goes. Looks like he has
It's pretty good.
frozen it ripe. It wasn't underripe. It seems like a ripe Chanee because most of the Chanees that come from Thailand are a little watery. This is sweet, so
I mean, is that okay?
Too bad we can't plant the seed.
I just don't want long end seeds there because I don't want to pull them out later. Those are,
Yeah, I know
they're
what
not
you
going to
mean.
be
If a
sprouting.
durian tree grows there, what do
Yeah,
you
you'll
think?
be lucky.
I thought it was pretty good.
yeah.
Could I have one of
This
those
is good, right?
napkins?
Yeah.
No, everyone else gets them. Oh,
Thank you.
sorry.
I got to use my beard, right?
All right, next.
Okay.
All right, you want to open up one of those boxes, Julian? or
Well, there's
something?
one here.
This is Musang King.
That's
Oh, I got the
Musang
knife.
King.
I got the
Here
knife.
we go.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is D197. That's Musang King. Oh, yeah, well, that's it here too.
So you can get all these at miamifruit.org. But you can't find these in the store. You can find frozen durian in the store. You can actually find Musang King in a local
Oh, it
Asian
looks like it
market,
lost
but
its color.
they're not going to be this
That they
quality.
oxidize a little bit.
Oh, one of them is pretty yellow. Still. I think that's small one.
What would you give that other one, Chris, from a 1 to a 10?
Well, it depends on what you're rating
a
it
citrus.
against. I'm not rating it against other varieties of durian, but if I'm rating it against my favorite mango, I think I'd have to take my favorite mango. But it's a very nice fruit, and nice consistency, and
Yeah, they're all good.
it's got a lot of different flavors that sort of work together.
Did you say you would take a mango over durian?
It's hard to choose. This is like a Miss Universe contest. It's hard to be a judge when it comes to these things.
I
They're so
disagree.
good.
You're just waiting for the bathing suit part of the program.
That's the hardest part.
I disagree. I don't think it's a hard choice. This is
This or mango, it's hard. Because there's so many different flavors in mango.
Mhm.
You know,
This
durian,
is better than half of the mango variety. Michelle.
durian is better than half of the mangoes out there. But there's some mangoes that are exceptional that you can't pass up and undermine because of durian. But I love durian. I wouldn't mind living in Malaysia for 3 months just in durian season.
There's people that
I think a lot depends on
Yeah.
what you're craving actually. If you had a bunch of durians, at that point you may not want a durian. You may want a mango. If you didn't have durian for a while, you may want a durian. So it
I've gotten
changes.
sick of a lot of fruits because I've overeaten them. I've never gotten sick of
Did you
overeating.
Well, me
durian.
neither.
You never got tired of durian when you went to Malaysia?
Never. And I had a lot.
That would have. I should have been your wingman, bro.
Yeah. I mean, Bobby was just there. Of all the durian you had, did you ever say, "Oh, I've had enough"?
No.
Or you were like,
There's a reason for it. Do you know why?
"Yeah," because
Durian has both fat
yeah,
and sugar.
exactly. It's
You know,
like
And you have a neurons in your guts that gives you a rewarding signal when you have both fat and carbohydrate at the same time.
Yes, I
Too
want
much
more.
sugar.
Yeah, it's like
Psychologically,
ding, ding,
you
ding,
do
I
want more.
right?
You know, it's the choice food for orangutans.
What variety is this, by the way?
It didn't say.
It did in the box.
Yeah.
That was Musang King. Which one did you open? That one?
That one.
D101.
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 Chris, what do you think of the last one?
It was nice.
The last one was Musang King, actually. D101 is a milder durian.
I'll split it. Part of this, yeah. Okay.
Mmm.
It's right in your favor.
Yeah.
That's
Get
all
that
right.
gasoline.
Gasoline flavor. That's not really what I'm going for.
I would say the
I like the previous one better.
This is good though.
Yeah, it's good, but the other two are better.
It has that diesel element
Yes,
in
it
there.
has a diesel. Yes. I have a diesel truck.
That's what I look
That's gonna
for
be your
in
diesel
fruit.
around.
They have that nice,
Yeah.
diesel aftertaste.
This isn't.
let's open the red prawn.
Okay. Red.
Red prawn, yeah.
Is it?
It's
does
not
that mean
red,
it-
though.
Is it really red?
No, it's not red actually at all.
Oh, the prongs are red. Well, it's a small durian.
I'm gonna save some for the camera. Well, for Shannon, he probably doesn't mind my spit.
No, it's fine. I'd like to try it. I've never tried there.
For those of you that don't know, durian will not grow outside in South Florida. The only place in the United States that they grow it successfully is Hawaii and Puerto Rico in the
So
United
thanks for
States.
giving me-
Now, Bobby is trying to fruit a durian here in South Florida. Several people have grown trees before, but no one's ever been able to successfully fruit a durian tree in South Florida. And Bobby has made a nice greenhouse and has a bunch of seeds in it, so he
Yeah.
attempted to be the first one.
This has a mild sapodilla flavor. Julian, try this one as a mild sapodilla.
What variety is
flavor.
this?
What variety was this? Oh, B something or other? Right. There's a
Red
number.
prawn.
Oh, okay.
I want to save this for the cameraman
Ooh.
because he hasn't had one before, so I
Doesn't
want
it have a mild sapodilla flavor?
Like
to
a
see his
pudding.
reaction. What a different flavor in this.
Caramel pudding, bro.
That's a different one.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, this is the one he's just.
What's the
tasting.
name of this one?
Red prawn.
What do you think, Al?
Yeah, it's much better than the one that we just.
Well, this might be my favorite.
I like the second one better.
Yeah, me too. So we have mixed reviews.
Let's
Wait.
open the other one.
Yes.
Sometimes if it's been frozen for a while, they lose the pungency too.
Okay, I don't think this hasn't gone down yet.
I
right?
got it.
Yeah, it hasn't gone down. You got one.
I
What
got it.
kind is that? What's kind of the last
This
one?
is D163. It's called Hulu.
Oh, this one was nice. Last time I had it, this one.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it has a lot of meat on it, and it comes off the seed very nice.
nice flavor.
It has nice flavor. No, just get ready to be like burping durian all day.
Now you can buy durian in your local supermarket, but you got to know it's difficult when it's frozen how to pick it. But they sell it a whole durian, and they also sell it frozen in like a bag or container. And you're probably better off getting a container or a bag because it's really hard to pick one. It's a 50-50 chance if you get a good one. If you buy durian in the store, there's a good chance it won't even be edible. So you gotta be careful with that.
This is the best way to eat durians for a newcomer, is when you eat it in a group. And when you see someone else enjoying it, it kind of validates you that, hey, I'm not going to die from it.
Yeah,
Right.
So they kind of, okay, I'm going to try it too.
And
But
you
if you're-
ask them if they've had it before, and you sort of see if they seem like they're going to still be alive for a while, and then you're okay, right?
But if you're by yourself for the first time, you're not going to be eating it.
All right, everybody. I'm going to put all their links below. Definitely check them all out. And thank you all for coming on out. And Chris, thanks for hosting us. And we'll come back with some more videos with the Fruitful 5 at different locations. Until then, for your comments and questions below, and keep growing.